Aim of this video is to make you understand hardware and software environment which you all would be utilizing for programming. Each one of you nowadays own at least one gadget, be it a small smartphone, Android based phone, or iOS based phone, or maybe a laptop or a desktop or a tablet. Now all of us know that these are electronic devices, and to utilize it we need to switch on. Once we switch on, there's some certain software which gets loaded on. That software is operating system. I named a few of them, that is Android operating system or iOS. Both of them are mobile operating system. When you are utilizing your laptop, the first of software which you get interacted with is either Windows or Linux. The aim of this course is to make you write programs. To write down the programs, we would require one more layer on this operating system. You might be utilizing Anaconda framework if you are aiming to write down the Python programs, or maybe if you are writing Java program, then something else, or maybe if you want to write down C program, then something else. Each programming language has its own programming environment associated with it for a programmer. For a user, it might seem all similar, but for a programmer, these environment need to exist while writing down a program. The programming environment which we are talking about is actually following a stored program concept. The stored program concept was introduced by Sir John von Neumann in late 1940s. This architecture has three broad components. One is input device, second is output device, and in between there is something which is called as a processing. This processing is being done by central processing unit. It takes help of other units which are known as control unit and arithmetic logic unit. This architecture says that a machine can accept instructions. Those instructions are stored in a binary form. Binary means either in the form of ones or zeros. These instructions in the form of ones and zeros are stored in a memory unit. This memory unit is actually a primary memory. We also have other type of memory, that is secondary memory. But central processing unit, which is a brain of your computer or which processes your instructions, can pick up the instructions only from primary memory. Just understand from an illustration that this video is being recorded. When I am recording this video, my voice is being captured. My video is being captured. So microphone and webcam are both acting as an input device. That video is being displayed on the screen. So the screen is acting as an output device for me. But when I'm speaking something, these instructions are transferred into memory unit. They are being processed by central unit. There are other, as I said, units which are helping central processing unit to perform this action. And this video is then being displayed on this output device. Before we start writing down programs, let us reiterate certain concepts. Before any data is processed, data or instructions are stored into memory. Instructions are stored in the computer's primary memory for execution. They are stored in the binary forms, that is ones or zeros. CPU interacts with primary memory. But primary memory is volatile, which means contents of primary memory is lost once the power is disconnected. For permanent storage, data or instructions need to be stored in a secondary memory. I showcased you von Neumann architecture where input device, output device and a block in a center was there which was utilized for processing. Input, output and processing operations can be performed simultaneously. While the data is being read or written, CPU executes another instruction which is ready for execution.